Okay, here at no heat on this heat pump unit. Just had the customer turn on the thermostat, so we're gonna see if it is calling. Remove this panel here. I wonder if this went bad. So I'm hoping that's what it is. Be a nice, easy little fix there. So, nope. I don't have power there. So that could be an issue there. Breaker must be tripped. Let's go ahead and... So I hear the contactor just pulled in. So let's just go ahead and measure these fuses here. Put it on continuity. Okay, so those are good. Let's go ahead and open this up. See if we have power in here. Okay. So this guy, that's the line. So I got 240. $240. Oh, so it sounds like we got a bad contactor. So, the contactor. Yeah. Yeah, I got one on the truck, so. Let's see here. It was kind of burnt there. All right. Oh yeah, right here's burnt too. See right there. Yeah, I have one on the truck, so I'll go ahead and change it out. So. Okay. So I got some burnt wires here, so I'm gonna strip those back. Same with this one here. So that looks like, can't tell if it's leaked oil, but I might as well just test that out too. So set this to microfarads. See what I got. That's 5 for the fan. Got 33 for the compressor side. So I'll just hook these back up. side. Excuse me. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. And I'll post another video, show you how to replace it.